Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You now start with the essentials. Make sure Zotero Desktop and Word are installed and both restarted. Open Zotero and confirm the word processor plugin is installed under Preferences. Once done, launch Word and look for a Zotero tab. If it's absent, go back to Zotero and use Tools Install Microsoft Word add-in to force the plugin. This step links the citation engine to Word so you can insert references directly rather than exporting each citation manually. Next, place citations. In Word's Zotero tab, click Add/Edit Citation, then type a keyword to find the item. Zotero searches title, author, year. Make sure your Zotero library is organized. Collections, accurate metadata, and attached PDFs reduce citation errors. Once you've inserted a few citations, choose your citation style from the plugin menu so formatting updates automatically. If you want in-text versus footnote styles, change the style now, and Word will reformat all inserted items consistently. To finish, place the cursor where the bibliography should appear and click Add/Edit Bibliography. Zotero compiles all cited items into a formatted reference list. Once done, edit citations as needed and hit refresh to ensure metadata and style changes propagate. If citations fail or the Zotero tab disappears, reinstall the Word add-in from Zotero or enable the Zotero COM add-in through Word's add-in settings. That single reinstall resolves most integration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.